case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1981, the United States Bankruptcy Court for the District of Minnesota heard the case of Daig Corp. concerning the composition of a committee of creditors holding unsecured claims in a bankruptcy case. The U.S. trustee was responsible for selecting the committee members, ensuring a fair mix of different types of creditors. Daig Corporation filed a motion to change the committee's membership, seeking to remove representatives from Taping, Inc., Centrair, Inc., and Incio Electro Energy Corp., and restore a representative from Lake Region Manufacturing Company. However, as Centrair and Taping had already retired from the committee before the hearing, these parts of the motion were deemed moot. The court also found that including an insider from Lake Region on the committee would jeopardize necessary confidentiality, leading to Lake Region's removal from the committee and the denial of the motion to restore them. Inco Electro Energy Corp. disputed their claim but ultimately remained on the committee. The court concluded that adding Lake Region to the committee would have compromised confidentiality and thus decided against including them in the committee. Additionally, the U.S. trustee appointed a substitute despite Inco's dispute, with the court finding no valid reason for their removal.
Case briefs and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.